Hi, today I'll be doing a keto version of hazelnut Nutella. I have a bag of hazelnuts here, 250 grams. Let's get started. First, we need to roast the hazelnuts so that we can peel the skin, the shell off this. We put it in the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes until the skin is done. It can easily come off. Let's put this in the oven. Hey Google, set timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes, starting now.
The hazelnut looks like it's ready because all the skins started to crack. So we'll take it out of the oven and let it cool completely. Now the hazelnut's completely cooled down. The skin of the hazelnut needs to be peeled off so that it doesn't leave a bitter taste. So make sure that it's completely peeled off. Okay, now the hazelnuts are already skinned, so they're nice and clean. You need to use a really strong blender because it's gonna be blending for quite some time to extract and draw the oil out of the hazelnut to create a creamy paste. So to start off with, hazelnut here, and then you need a bit of oil to help the process. So ideally use avocado oil, but I don't have avocado oil, so I'm using coconut oil. And I'm going to add a bit of salt. Just to draw the flavor out. The blending is going to go on for quite some time, so have ready unsweetened cocoa powder. If you like it dark, then you put more. If you like it light, then you put less. For me, I use 6 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and some vanilla extract and a teaspoon, according to your taste, of sweetener. For me, I'm using the maltitol, which my body is able to digest. I'm still trying out other sweeteners like erythritol and monk fruit and the rest of it. But right now I'm using this, but it's not ideal for keto. So let's start. It's been whirring for about a good 5 minutes. As you can see, it's very smooth and buttery, and there's you can feel some heat from it. Some heat coming out from it. So that's a good sign. So right now, let's put all this together. Vanilla goes in. Sugar, sweetener goes in, cocoa powder, the original recipe requires you to put in melted chocolate, but since I don't have the unsweetened dark melted chocolate for cooking, It's quite difficult to find in the market, so I'm just going to make do with just cocoa powder. Once you're happy with the consistency and the taste, proceed to bottle it. It can keep for up to 2 weeks on the counter. I don't suggest that you freeze it or put it in the fridge because it's going to harden up. I'm going to be breaking fast. I've been fasting for 18 hours. I'm going to break it with the newly made Nutella paste with my keto bread toast. If you'd like to see my video on how to make keto bread, please check it out. And for this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.